The Sun formed about 4.6 billion years ago. It began as a dense region within a giant molecular cloud. This region was rich in hydrogen and helium. Gravity caused the region to collapse inward. As it collapsed, it began to heat up and spin. The spinning material flattened into a rotating disk. The center of the disk became increasingly hot and dense. This central region is called a protostar. The protostar continued to gather mass from the surrounding cloud. As the protostar grew, its core temperature increased. When the core temperature reached around 10 million degrees Celsius, nuclear fusion began. Nuclear fusion is the process where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium. Fusion releases a tremendous amount of energy. This energy counteracted the force of gravity, stopping the collapse. The protostar became stable, and the Sun was born. The Sun entered the main sequence phase of its life. In the main sequence, the Sun fuses hydrogen into helium in its core. This fusion process powers the Sun and produces light and heat. The Sun's energy creates a balance between gravitational pull and outward pressure. Around the new Sun, the remaining material formed a protoplanetary disk. This disk eventually gave rise to the planets and other solar system bodies. The Sun makes up about 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. It has been in the main sequence phase for about 4.6 billion years. The Sun will remain in this stable phase for several billion more years. Eventually, the Sun will evolve into a red giant, marking the end of its life cycle.